crazy, Al. Not find that out?
Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%.
How many flaps on this one, Johnny?
50%.
Quite a few. This isn't old. This one's about 2-3 years old.
Oh, okay.
0. 25%.
I don't know if you saw the new Blue Angel one in the house.
I can't remember. I often miss it.
I just posted the picture last night, so
No, I didn't see it.
that's what I've been working on this past week, or the last couple days anyway.
1 minute. Landed 0.
No.
25%. 30 seconds. 0.
It's hard to see. It gets so pretty.
Geared up.
Maybe sometimes it's just gotta.
Now we got a nice little wind going on up there.
50%.
Come on.
50%.
That's it.
It would be worth, having that. They'll go through it and make sure everything's
Yeah.
right on it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
What we may want to do is put a card in it and copy all your programs on
Leveling.
that card.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
If anything happens, you got it.
Well, that's why I bring 2-3 planes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Acro.
I'll try another plane at home.
Huh.
Just like
Is George your usual flying mowing partner?
Who?
George. Can George mow?
This year, yeah. Last year it was that guy who was complaining all the time. Charles.
Oh,
Charles. It was Charles the year before.
Charlie.
Yeah. And this is only the second time we mowed together. And he comes like at like 8 because he's in Milton. He's no biggie.
You
So
did about 7?
no shit. I was mowing at 6:15.
Wow. Well, you are early. He got the lights going.
Yeah, I wake up at 5:30 and there's no flying, so I just came on out here. And I unlocked everything, pulled both mowers out, checked them out, and I was
Flaps up.
at 6:15. I was shooting out through here. And I
1
looked,
minute.
I said, oh, shit.
I need to start setting oil on mine. I use it.
20
Yeah, but I won't
seconds.
do that.
Okay.
I don't.
0. Take off 25%. Zero.
Boy, that thing will drop without power.
Yeah, it does. A little more than I wanted.
0.
Put it on my head here.
Look at a rock.
Yep.
Geared up.
My lemon in it, so I'm used to that. I know how to.
50%.
I had a different plane than that one.
50%.
That wind is kicking it today, though.
50%.
Yeah. But I didn't want to switch it off and be in a. Boy, it's nice and clear. You're full power.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Hell, man, the axial, that is perfect. Okay.
25%. 0.
Nice.
Man, that was slick.
down a little bit.
It stops right around here. Beautiful. Nice.
Ooh. What did I do?
0. 50%. Gear up. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nope.
%. 0. 25%. 50%. 10. 9. 8. 7. 0. Range 400.
These sixes, no doubt.
Hey, that's a perfect takeoff, John. There you go.
Man.